Hi everyone, my name is Mehmood Sheikh and in this video I'm going to discuss about writing a C program for finding the area of a circle. In my last video I have discussed about writing a C program for adding two numbers. If you guys have not seen that video, then I just recommend you guys to watch that video as well, because in that video I have discussed some of the basic and fundamental concepts of C programs. And before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion on writing a C program for finding the area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, we have a formula which is pi r square. Pi value is constant and the value of pi is 3.142. Let me just write it down here. Pi equals to 3.142. And the formula for finding the area of a circle is area is equals to pi into r into r. Okay. Pi value is fixed and we know that value. Now the only thing which is left for us to know is the radius, and the radius is a value which we need to accept from the user. So when this program gets executed, it should ask the user to enter the value for radius. Once the user enters the value of radius, then that value need to pass to the r and then gets multiplied with the value of pi to calculate the area of a circle. Okay, now let us first write the output. Enter radius. Okay, when this program gets executed, user will see this message, enter radius, then user enter 5, then an output message, area of circle is 78.55. okay, like this output we need to display to the user when the program gets executed. So we need to write the program as per this output. Okay, so let us start our C program with the header files. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, okay, then int main. Next we will use clear screen function to clear the output of previous execution. Next I will declare one variable. Okay, according to this output, how many variables do we require? Since we are accepting only one value from the user, that is 5, and in our program to store that value 5, we should have a variable. Since I am accepting an integer value, that's why we need to create a variable of type integer. Okay, now let me just create int a. Okay, only one variable we need to declare. Next I need to display this message to the user, enter radius. So to display that output message, we should use printf function with message as enter radius semicolon. Now after seeing this message, user will enter the value, and that value we need to read and store inside variable a. So to accept the input, I have an input function which is scanf %d ampersand a semicolon. Okay, now this %d is a format specifier. Since we are dealing with integer values, that's why we must use %d as a format specifier. If we are using decimal values like 5.5, 2.5, then in that case the format specifier will be %f. Okay. Now one more thing, as you can see here, after writing the message enter radius, I am using \n. What is the purpose of using this \n? Because when the program gets executed, I want the user input to be expected in the next line. I don't want user to enter the value for this radius here. I don't want that. I want user to enter the value for the radius in the next line. Immediately once the message gets displayed to the user saying that enter radius, then cursor should come to the next line, and in the next line I want user to enter the value. So to bring the cursor to the next line at the time of output, you must use \n. Next, area. Yes, one more variable I need to create. Yes, let me just create here. Okay, float area. Okay, here I have created one more variable, area, of type float, because we will be getting the output in decimal. So to store that decimal value, we must create float variable. Okay, next, area is equals to, the value of pi is 3.142 into value of r, which means now the value of r, yes, this should be r. Okay, this should be r, and this also should be r. Okay, r into r. Okay, if we take r, then it will be like more meaningful. Okay, we can take a as well, but it won't be like meaningful. Okay, so if we use r, since we are referring the r to the radius, that's why we should use the variable in a more meaningful manner. Now once this calculation gets performed, the output gets stored under variable area. Now I need to print this area, printf %. Now which format specifier we must use? We must use %f, because this area is of type float. Now let me just write the output in this manner. Area of circle is %f, and then we need to pass the variable area. Okay. Then return 0, and then bracket closed. Okay. So this is how you can write a C program to find the area of a circle. And now I hope you guys have understood how you can use the output to write a C program. Okay. So this is everything about writing a C program to find the area of a circle. I hope you guys have understood how to write this simple program. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.